Puncture of Bepari Government LP School on a march of disintegration. Karbi Students Association organized felicitation cum anti-drugs awareness program on 21st of August at Ronghiti Market Complex. Borjan Youth Forum celebrates first anniversary, felicitated HSLC, HS, NEET and JEE successful candidates. Come one, come all. Fourth Autumn Women and Men's Football Running Tournament cum Awareness Program 2022 at Edpotaro Playground on 5th September to 8th of October 2022. Organized by Community Health Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi. For more details, contact Sharon Sarman Hanse, Project Officer, CHTP and call 8638-98440. Wishing you all a very good morning from Julie Baby. The school building of Phangcherop Bepari Government Lower Primary School, located at Phangcherop Rengma Village, 19 kilometers away from Koilamati under Nilip constituency, is standing in a very critical condition. It is on a march of disintegration, endangering the lives of the students whenever light storms and heavy rainfall occurs. The citizens of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong from across the district send their children to local government LP schools to attend their primary education. In such cases, the responsibility lies with the teachers who are appointed to teach and educate the underprivileged children in rural as well as in urban areas. But in many cases, the appointed teachers, rather than educate the children through physical classes in rural areas, they send their substitution to teach the children by paying few hundreds rupees. But there are some teachers who are very dedicating towards their profession, and they give their 100% effort in educating the children irrespective of their backgrounds. In some cases, even if the teacher gives their best, the school infrastructure, classrooms, facilities, etc. that resist them from their professionalism. Likewise, the school building of Phangcherop Bepari Government Lower Primary School, located at Phangcherop Rengma Village, is likely to fall down, as the school building had exceeded the validity of its life. The school was established in the year 1946, and since then, the school building was left as it was. Till date, not even a single repairing work was carried out. Therefore, it is endangering the lives of all the students and staff whenever light storms and heavy rainfall occurs. When our correspondent visited the school, one of the teachers, Jason Rengma, informed that the school has a strength of 72 students and only 2 teachers were appointed. Pavitra Rongpi, MEC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, also knew the condition of the school, yet no any positive step could be seen taken from his side till date.
Amar MEC kiba Pavitra sir ahigane nije dikhile একদম ডাঙৰ বতা হৈ গনে একদম টিংটো কেসি কিটা ভাঙিলে এনা কৰি গনে আমি 2019 আমি মেমৰি দামো লিখি গনে দিলে আৰু পবিত্ৰ সাৰে আহি গনে নিজৰ স্পৰ্টে দেখিলে কিন্তু এতিয়া লগে একো একচন লোৱা নাই এনা কৰি গনে আৰু আমি কিবা এসএমসি হৈ গনে আমি ইয়াৰলি গ্ৰান্ট দিয়াটো আমি এটো লগতে কিবা টিং কিনিলে এনা কৰি গনে আৰু আমি টিংটো জনে তেনে মাৰা আছে কিন্তু কেসি কিটা তো পুৰা পচি গল কেসি কিটা তো এটা তো আমি বতা মাৰিলে আমি ষ্টুডেন্ট কিটা লৈ গনে আমি বাহিৰতে গুচি যায় আৰু এফালে কিবা ষ্টুডেন্ট আমি 72 ষ্টুডেন্ট আছে কিন্তু মাস্টাৰটো আমি খালি 2 জনহে আছে তো পুৰা আমি ইমিডিয়েট আমি এটা টিচাৰও লাগে.
Sarmon Bay, assistant teacher, informed that the main pillars of the building had eroded and broken in some section of the building, since it is a very old building, and therefore bamboos are erected in some part to support the school building. Whenever heavy rain falls and some storms occurs, the fear of collapsing the school building comes to our mind. Hence, the intervention of Richard Togby, EM of Education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, into this matter, and renovating the school building could be a great relief to the teachers as well as the students and to the parents, guardians of the children studying there. Samson Intes report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. On 21st August, to encourage and motivate the students for their further studies and to avoid usage of any sort of drugs that is health injurious, Karbi Students Association Rongchingrum branch organized felicitation cum anti-drugs awareness program for all the successful candidates of HSLC, HSSLC this year at Rongiti Market Complex, Matepung. The felicitation cum anti-drugs awareness program was initiated by Rongchingrum branch under the supervision of Dipu Regional Committee. It was chaired by Gabriel Teron, president of Rongchingrum branch. As many as 28 students were felicitated during the event. Mirjang Crow, Vice President of Karbi Students Association, attended as the chief guest of the event. Raju Ingti, AGS of CAC, Liton Singh Timung, President of DRC, Soro Singh Bey, Secretary of DRC, Nelson Timung, President of Dipu Head Branch, Dipen Ingti, Rural Aid Society AGO, Biren Rongpi, GB of Sikari Rongpar, SGB, and many dignitaries of the region attended the event. Invited guests of the event and leaders of KSA had a fruitful interaction with the students, guardians and local residents of the region. They had encouraged and motivated the students for their further studies and to avoid usage of any sort of drugs that is injurious to health. The local residents expressed their gratitude towards KSA for initiating such steps towards the upliftment and encouragement of education sector to the valley. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 21st of August, Borjan Youth Forum BYF celebrated its first birth anniversary of Rongplimplam main market. HSLC, HS, NEET and JEE successful candidates were also felicitated on this occasion. Surjo Rongpar, EM of KAC, attended as the chief guest of the event. Chandra Singh Teron, advisor of Borjan Youth Forum, Jeevan Chandra Pathak, ex-EM of KAAC, Leeladhar Teron, ex-General Secretary of Karbi Lameramai, Sunaram Singnar, Chairman VDC of Borjan, Bapuram Rongpi, Baliram Ingti, advisor of Borjan Youth Forum, Mongal Hansei, Chairman of BLCC Bokajan Development Block, and many other notable dignitaries attended the event. The event was started from 10 o'clock with hosting of organization's flag by Onteron, President of Borjan Youth Forum, and was accompanied by Angdong Hansei, Secretary of Borjan Youth Forum. Education awareness program was also organized on this occasion, and the theme of the education awareness program was Education, the Weapon to Live in the Present Era. The speakers of the education awareness program was Sarlongkiri Ingti, Assistant Professor of Pranab Jubilee College, and Dilip Kathar, Cultural Tribal Research Officer of KAC. Appreciation certificates and Karbi souvenir was awarded to all the successful candidates of HSLC, HS, NEET and JEE by EM of KAC, Surjo Rongpar, the chief guest of the event. EM Rongpar encouraged and motivated the students and addressed about the importance of education in modern era. He also spoke about the pros and cons of using smartphones during his speech at the event.
Ketimbang sepatah WhatsApp University kan si kepas le pura bangga no WhatsApp pun le pilih long itu si ponta me hala bangga cokce nang lijong si kita pa me itu kitip kuyong si manangi puru tangte nang li lopo hi back nangi.
On this occasion, Borjan Youth Forum submitted a memorandum to Surjo Rongpar, EM of KAAC. EM Rongpar gave his assurance for the construction of Borjan Youth Forum office within a year. And the memorial statue of late Bonglong Terang would also be constituted at Rongpin Plum very soon. Sarlongkiri Ingti, Art and Literary Secretary of Borjon Youth Forum, while addressing the media, informed that Borjon Youth Forum had completed its 1 year. And to mark its first anniversary celebration, cultural events and felicitation to the successful candidates of HSLC, HS, JEE, NEET and various competitive exams was done to encourage and motivate the students to excel in their further studies. And more than 130 students were felicitated in this occasion. Bijoy Rongpin's report from July for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.